You're the emotional whirlwind. I'm sadness. Making memories can be very emotional. Now the safety manual says, please remain seated with your seatbelt. It's gonna be really fun.
Seriously? Why do you think it'll be fun?
I read about it in the manual. Is it all going to be so interactive? It's making me dizzy.
Come on, be positive.
I'm positive I'm dizzy. Oh, the emotional whirlwind is coming to an end. Please remain seated until your memory mover comes to a complete stop. Then a line worker will open the door for you. Goodbye.
Oh, oh, hi there. I'm Fear, and I'm here to see with your seatbelts securely fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the memory movers at all times.